All right, so here's the deal. I've got a great shoe that I'm gonna unbox for you guys. It's been a minute since I've done an unboxing and feels good. Feels good to be back. I haven't checked them out yet. We're gonna do that together. It's a rainy day. I'm sipping on some tea. Old school vibes right now. I just got these in and I think that this is gonna be one of the best spring and summertime sneakers. I already know it is, it's gonna be. And it's pretty rare for me to pull the trigger and pay over retail, so you know it has to be something good. It's not the newest collab of some sort. I keep telling you guys we're going left. We are bypassing a lot of the hype stuff and we're gonna see what else is out there. Old school, orange scissors, still got them, let's go. I got these off eBay, so they are authenticated, even though I don't think that there's replicas of this shoe yet. Maybe there will be, but none that I know of. So if you are expecting me to pull a Nike or Jordan box out of here, you're wrong. You might not know it yet, but this is New Balance's year. They've always been relevant as far as I'm concerned, but this year they've got some heavy hitters. So let me show them to you real quick and then we'll get into how they fit, how you can get them, when they're gonna release, some information I got from the brand about these and anything else that comes to mind. I also have another shoe I'm gonna show you. You gotta do that little would you rather have these or those thing. Love these. We've got the New Balance BB 550. How did I think that that was gonna happen? First things first, the retail price I believe is $100 on this shoe. The last time I saw that it dropped, it was $100. I've also seen places selling it for $120. So who knows exactly what they're gonna retail for. These have been shock dropping at random boutiques, and that may be by design. That might be something that New Balance is trying to do, because the information I got is that they are keeping close tabs on this model. They don't want to throw it out there like they do 574s and other made models. They are really being particular about how this shoe is released, and it's nice to see that from New Balance. They know they have something good and they're being strategic about it. No beef there. This is obviously not something that we expect from New Balance. We know them for high quality retro runners, and this is a basketball shoe. It's a low cut basketball shoe that a lot of us saw for the first time when Aimé Leondor did a collab on this model last year. What I really like about what NB is doing with this model is it's not a watered down version of the Aimé Leondor collab. It's very similar to that, minus a few details here and there. You still have that really cool patch on the tongue, same exact cut, pretty good materials for a $100 shoe. They have Ortholite insoles. You know, New Balance has to be comfortable. That's something that they do well on top of the elevated materials. Because it hasn't officially released yet, it's reselling for a pretty penny on StockX, eBay. I paid over retail for these, but just 50 bucks. It was worth it to show them to you guys ahead of time, and I didn't want to miss out on this colorway. As far as the general release plan for this shoe, there's going to be 4 colorways dropping early May. However, they will go fast. I can assure you that they're not gonna sit around all day. The 4 different colorways that are dropping are this yellow and white pair, which I think is gonna be the most hyped. There's a multicolor pair that has a little bit of green, red, and yellow in it, a maroon and white that will also be really popular, and then a black and white. So I can't emphasize enough, if you see this shoe and it's available and you're kind of on the fence, pull the trigger, because they really are not gonna sit around for a while. New Balance is gonna be treating this like Jordan Brand treats the Jordan 1. Some stores have these in store, not online yet, they're in store. So if you call and tell them the model, so the official name of these is BB 550 LA1. So if you call a New Balance store and say, hey, do you have the BB 550 LA1? They might have it. They may do a phone order for you. I wanted to unbox these as quickly as possible because I'm working on a spring lookbook right now. You should see that video within a week. So I'm sorry that I haven't been on top of the lookbook game. You guys know what the hell's been going on outside. So it's just kind of affected that lookbook a little bit, but spring and summer lookbooks are gonna be on the way. I might even do 2 for each. Can't wait for that video. But what else was I gonna show you? I'm sizing with this. Let me throw them on feet and I'll figure that out. I'm an 11.5. And that is my true size. And that's what I got with this shoe. Okay, they fit exactly like I thought they would. And it's a little bit odd. I still think they fit true to size, but keep in mind, it's gonna be a little bit snug in the toe box and somewhat roomier in the ankle area. So you may get a little bit of ankle slippage with this. I wouldn't say, it's always tough. Just know it's snug in the toe area. I've seen some people saying you should go down a half a size. I don't see it. I just don't see how going down a half a size would make these fit better. I have another pair coming in that's a size 12, and I'm glad they're a size 12. I had the option to get 11 or 12, so keep that in mind. I'm glad that I went up a half a size instead of going down a half a size. I hope that's helpful. And then this is so random. I just got these Jordans. Has nothing to do with this video. However, I like them. Obviously, I bought them. So, you know, I got to be into the shoe. Jordan 5, Raging Bulls. And this is just always going to be my roots right here, Jordan Retros. While we're here, let me know which one of these you guys would rather have. Obviously, the Jordan is 190 bucks, so it's more expensive, but let me know. Before you get out of here, leave me that like if you're down with the 550. If there's anywhere that you've seen these for sale, definitely hit the comment section and let us know where we can grab a pair or where a pair is going to be released. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you're new and follow me on Instagram so that you can see how I style these, and check out that spring lookbook. It'll be up soon. Thanks for checking out the vid. Peace.